Hi guys, it's Marta. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got for you something very cool. So I've got new high heels from a brand, Aquazzura. I got them from one of you, so thank you so much for this gift. I'm very excited because this is my first pair of heels from this company and they are cute. The black classic heels with cute little, let's say, bows or bunny ears, whatever you see. These has been a dream of mine for a long time. Let's do a little unboxing first. Here I got this special box. It looks like this. Here it got cute logo, the pineapple logo. I really do like it. Let's open it. Okay, so here is the note. If the shoes fit, buy them in every color. I agree with that. The next thing, we got a little note. Then we've got the receipt. The next thing is the bag for the shoes. And yeah, so here we've got only one. What I like in Louboutins, if I got each bag like this for each shoe, not for the pair of shoe. So yeah, Louboutins wins with that, but this is cute as well. First, second, third. Are you ready? Ta-da! Oh my god, just look at them. They are so beautiful. The little ears, that's why I say it's ear, like the bow, but bunny ears. Absolutely love them. Look, they're so beautiful. So of course we've got covers in here and it's written, please leave on this protection until you are sure it is perfect fit. Personally, I think it's extremely sexy. Of course, you know me, I love Louboutins, but these, come on. So here's the full look. I absolutely love them. I love that this is open in here, like the back of the heel is open. The star of the event, the bows slash bunny ears slash whatever. I absolutely love it. The only thing I would prefer, like I feel like I'm more spoiled from Louboutin, is like the two pairs of this dust bag. Here's only one, but of course it's just like, you know, a dust bag. This is the heel. And they are comfortable for now, from my few steps that I did. For a full day, definitely not. Just for the event, like quick event and then change, they are fine. From my experience, seriously, Louboutins Miss Z are the most comfortable. The padding inside makes a huge difference. And in here we also don't have the padding. So this is my first time with Aquazzura. If I get another heel, I will let you know if they are comfortable. And about this company, I was very surprised with their collections because their heels are crazy. The designs are just the craziest. I saw a Nemo high heels. Like the ocean. I'm a diver, some of you know. And the diving heels, whatever, oh my god, their designs are crazy. But yeah, these are not crazy, they are spicy. They are classy, but with a little bit of spice. Thank you so much to the person that get me these heels. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is my new channel and I will post here like my vlogs, high heels reviews, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment because it does help. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Bye!